Hello, and welcome to a video on how to change the volume unit on your Vortex device. So your first step after downloading the Tech Bluetooth app is to input the following ID number: a 2 followed by 9 zeros and then a 7. Afterward, inputting the verification code 341234. Now you have to select the device which you're trying to edit the parameter for. Having selected the device, you will find yourself on the Device tab. Your next step is to press on the Settings tab. Once you are in the Settings tab, you must choose the User Setup menu. Inside this menu, you can find the volume unit parameter which you're trying to change. So once you find the volume unit parameter, you can press on it and you will be taken to this screen where you can choose your device's new volume unit from a list. So for the sake of this video, we will be setting the device's volume unit to US gallons. Having selected the new unit, you can safely close the application as your changes have been saved. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the following.